How do you feel about your new color bag, John? Daddy brought it for you when you went to tuition. Daddy went to the market and brought this whole bag with all these colors. How do you feel about that?
I like
You
it.
like it? Okay. Oh, yes. This is again yellow?
Yeah.
Yes. You see, how did you know that? After with the big color, you can pick up small color for the precision and good finesse. How do you know that?
I like.
That's beautiful. Now let's see which is the next color.
Next
So
color.
what are we drawing, John? What is this? What are we drawing?
Oh, what? The brown color.
No. What is this thing? What is this object we are drawing?
Nice lady.
What? A reindeer.
A reindeer.
Yes. Okay. Now you need this one. You make a nose. This nose. Okay. And what is this color?
It's red.
Red. Okay. You find red. Any of the red color? Yes.
Big red crayon.
Yes. You also have the. No, this is pencil. Okay. You also have this one. Red. No, this is again pencil.
Mm.
Okay. Fine. Red color.
Again. Yellow, red crayon. Wait.
This.
Oh,
No. You picked the right one. You picked the right one. Okay. Come on. You make the nose.
No, not sure.
This is fine. You make the nose with this. Okay, enough. Beautiful.
I know the.
Okay, now we need most of it is what is this one? What is this color, John?
Brown.
Brown. Okay, you find the brown color.
I find the brown.
Is it? No,
It's broken.
it's not broken. I think.
I think we can use this.
Yes, that's fine.
Easily. That's right.
Beautiful.
Which just really cares. And what I don't like that brown.
No, it's good, John. See, it's fine. This is the color we needed.
I want to do also.
Okay. Yes, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can do beautiful.
Tom, yes. You're doing good, John. Come on, keep doing it.
Wait, what? Next color brown.
No, not yet. You have to make it all brown, okay? Except this part. This is yellow again. You do this part with yellow, and then the rest of it all brown.
Not that yellow, not this thinner one. We do crayon.
This is called crayon? Okay.
Wait, I want to.
Okay, now let me do this. Come on.
Oh.
Beautiful. Okay. Enough yellow. Now you take brown and everything else is brown. Okay, John?
Okay.
Don't cross the lines.
Okay, don't cross the
Let me teach you. From like this.
We're going to do Oh.
That's beautiful. You're doing it very neatly, John. This part, this
Why
one.
not working?
Oh, it is working. Show me. Wait a minute.
That's
Okay. Come on. No, not that part. You stay inside the lines. You stay inside the lines, okay?
but that's too bigger.
That's a bigger one. Do you have a smaller? Uh, see this one. This is brown.
Alright.
Yes, and smaller. Come on, show me. With for such minute work, you can use this.
Oh, I like it. Wait, Bo. Can you please give me
Give you what?
so this one?
Okay, you want to see? Yes, all is brown. Everything is brown, John. You keep doing it.
The tail brown.
Yes, tail is also brown. Face is also brown.
A black is eyes.
Eyes, yes, black. Do we have black here? Yes.
That's bigger. Wait, that.
No, that's fine. Okay, eyes are done. Now the next.
Oh, the crystal. What? Well, why you want the black and a brown look?
One side is black and the other side is brown. That's beautiful, John.
The one side.
Yes.
But why you done this? Look, smile is black.
Smile is black. Okay, you need it. Oh wait, should I do that? Yes, I think it's done. Let's see. Whoa, it's better.
It's what the other.
It's beautiful, John. You like it?
Which one do you want to make?
What do you want to make next?
Okay, first give me this.
You give you these cards. Okay, let's decide. What do you want to make? Let me see. This. You want to make this? What is this?
No, we don't have the white color sweat.
We don't have white color. Okay, rejected. And you want to make this? What is this, John? Santa? No.
Wait, why white?
We do have.
Oh.
Then should we make snowman? Yes.
Oh,
Perfect. Okay, we're gonna draw the Snow White.
that's not Snow White. That's a snowman.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's snowman. Okay, we're gonna draw the snowman.
Well, and when it come Olaf, and now it comes snowman.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, let's draw it.
And we have